No, this password is what? Whatever the value we are getting from SQL Server. I'm just copying here. Username. What is the column name here? Username only. Virat. Okay, I'm just copying the password. Maybe if I'm going something wrong, then also we'll get the error. Okay, click on login. Okay. Okay. Small SQL error. Yeah, got it. Okay, now it will work. People's here. VIRAT and password VIRAT@123. So we got it right. So we move to the second form. Forget about the second form, whatever we have. Or if you want, we can make it, whatever we wanted, we can make it. Okay. So this is what. Got it? Any questions now? The second form, I will just keep welcome. Or else I will keep empty. Okay, that's it. So any questions here, guys? Okay, just note down this design. Okay. Now double click on button and write the following code. And these are the steps. You cannot share your screen. So Ashni, please ask me what is your doubt, or you can send a screenshot, right, to me. So guys, done. So how is the program? Any questions? Everyone, please respond. Are you guys able to understand any questions here? So this is, it's a easy program only. See, whatever the ADO.NET we are seeing now, the same pattern I will follow for entire .NET course. Okay, so for suppose I will show you guys. So are you guys done with this? So that I will show you one more program. I will show one program in ASP.NET and MVC. See, only one Amit is responding, other people are sleeping. What? Yes, no? Okay. For those who only opted for C Sharp, I hope you people enjoyed the C Sharp learning here. I hope I tried my best for giving all the real-time scenarios and all the things. So I have explained everything. So whatever we needed in real time, I have given all those concepts here, and with proper explanation and the notes and all. So still, some people used to ask me, sir, why do we need to write the notes when we have soft copy? Yes, what will happen like when we have soft copy also, if you people wrote these notes and all, then one time revision will happen for you guys. So many so many my students some people of my other batches, like after completion of the C sharp only they got the job. For some people in the middle of ASP.NET or MVC session they got the job. So how they got the job means, see, simple, based upon the C sharp only. So like if someone asks you guys like what is oops, so you people are ready to answer like oops. We have object oriented programming system. So here we have like four main concepts: encapsulation, data abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance. So encapsulation, adding or binding of data members within a class, is called as encapsulation. Data abstraction, showing required data and hiding unwanted data, is called data abstraction. So what is inheritance? Getting or accessing properties from base class to derived class is known as inheritance. So what is different types of inheritance means, here we have single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. Single level inheritance. Single level inheritance means one base class and one derived class will be there. So multi-level inheritance, one base class, more than one derived class will be there. And multiple inheritance. Basically, multiple inheritance class doesn't support multiple inheritance, because here we will have what, more than one base class and one derived class. But here we will face ambiguity situation. So due to that, we are going for a concept called interface. So, and after that, polymorphism. Poly means many, morphing means behaviors. Here in our polymorphism we have two different concepts are available. One is what, method overloading and method overloading. So other names for method overloading: early binding, static binding. Compile time polymorphism. So same method name but different parameters is known as a method overloading. So you can tell the example for that. Similarly, what is method overriding? So method overriding is nothing but same method name and same parameter. So if you want to perform method overriding, we need to use virtual keyword in base class and dev override keyword in derived class. That's it. So similarly, so if someone asks you what is interface, you people, it is an agreement between itself and its implemented classes. See, for example, if our interface consists of 6 methods, we need to the inherited class needs to implement all the 6 methods. That's the mandatory thing in inheritance. So similarly, we need so this is how we need to answer all the questions, so that what will happen, so people will definitely get a job. So some people are migrating from what, C sharp, some other technology to .NET. I hope those guys, this will be very much easy. So I know some people are from mechanical, people are from civil. So here you people are joining like 30 to 40 people every day. You people join, and some 15 people are opted for video. like done, and also they are from other locations and all other countries and all. So I have given all the programs, and I have covered all the concepts. So please go through that, and if you need any help at any point of time, you people can message me. So whenever I'm free, definitely I will try to help from my end. And see, some people used to message me, and some people used to call me. So I never see. So I always respond. So if I'm free, immediately I used to respond. If I'm not free or something, definitely whenever I got time or something, definitely I will respond to them. So I hope you people enjoyed in learning this C sharp. Okay. So I hope this will continue in MVC as well. So people see here. I will show you how our pattern we follow in our all the classes. Uh, so so if you see here. This is our MVC students program. So, like my programs on C Sharp or ASP.NET or MVC, Windows Forms, everything. Like part one, part two, part three, like that. Why part one, part two, part three, like that means see whatever I explained. See the same language. See, this is for adding employee. See, insert. So did people found any difference here? Nothing. Whatever we have done here in our C sharp, the same thing I'm doing here. Agree with me? Okay. Similarly, forget the details and all. So select star from employee for delete. So see, like in ASP.NET also same program. So if you learn it one place, you can easily handle everywhere. Okay, that's what I always feel. See, that's the reason my students always will clear system test easily. Why? Because in system test they will give what they will give. You need to create one user, you need to edit that user, and you need to update that user. If you want, you can delete the user. That's what the system test, and this is what we are showing. Why you will forget all these things? So because we are following same pattern, right? That's the reason. Okay, fine. So we'll go to our one more example on class library. So, do you people know, right? So, what is class library? The first thing what we need to do, so we will create one class library and we'll call that class library from Windows Form. That's what we will do. So, for that, what we will do? Okay. So, create new project. Here, just keep like a class library. Yeah, this one. What I will do, from I will enter two text boxes. When I enter my value one and value two, and I will calculate sum from that by clicking on button. That's what my concept. Oh my god, this much slow. Okay, so see here. What we'll do. So we'll add we public void and so here int value 1 comma int value 2. Okay, int c equals to value 1 plus value 2. Mostly Tuesday I'm thinking, but our they will help you guys on that. So you can connect with our admin. Console.write line. Sum is plus what? See. That's it. Done. Okay, done. Now what we will do? So now step 1. Create class library project, comma, Windows form project. Step 2. Complete class library code and what is that? Build the solution. Okay. So just note down this class library. So make it fast. We have only 6-7 minutes only. So this is example with Windows Forms with class library. So I'm just building my solution. Done. So once you people are done, immediately respond here. That's step 1, step 2 also. Okay. So then now close the class library. Okay. Close the class library. So we build the solution. So what is our class library name? Class library 5. Just remember this one. And class name is what? Class 1. What is our method name here? add, right? Okay, this is done for us. Now close this program. Now open one project and create Windows Forms. Okay, I'm just going this with this only. So I will close this. I will close this. I will close this. Now form one. So just make it value one. What happened? This one is not opening. Properties. Oh my god. Properties. Properties are not opening. Okay, finally it opened. Value one. Okay. Similarly, value two. Okay. Now double click on button. Now what we need to do here? So right click on references, add reference. So people tell me what is my class library project name. Class library 5. That means where it is, this one. So you can see the date, today's date also. And bin from here. Click on OK. Okay, now what is the next step? Include the namespace here. Using class library 5. Done. Okay. What are the steps we have done here? Give the class library reference from here. Okay. Correct. Clear? Are you guys clear with this up to here? Now after that, class library reference done. Okay. Now declare namespace. create object to class library call class library methods here. That's what we done here, right? Okay. Done. So now our button click value 1 int value 1 comma value 2 comma sum. Value 1 from where? Value 1 equal to convert dot to int 32 of what? What is that here? Text box on the text. Done. So similarly, value 2 equal to super. It came. Now create object over class library. Class 1 obj equals to new class 1. Done. Now tell me sum equals to obj dot what is the method we wrote there? It's add. Done. Okay. So now here value 1 comma value 2 two parameters it is accepting. Nice. Done. Okay. Now simple message box dot show. Sum is what is that? This one. It's small or not? Okay, so the same thing. Okay, so a simple, make it wide. Data type. Oh, that's the reason. Return seek. Okay, so just build the solution. I just changed the code. Okay, so now come here. So now what will happen? Message box starts so like this. Now we'll run the program. Okay, it is 22:56. See, we got it right. So from Windows Form application, we are calling class library. That's what we have done here. Okay, so anyway, it's already 7. It's class 7. So I will give this program on Monday. Okay. Okay. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet again on Monday. Happy weekend.